In a pastel city where rain taps like tiny keys, Milo discovers a hidden clockwork umbrella that glows. When Milo opens it, every droplet becomes a music note, and the pavement hums with friendly echoes. Guided by a talking sparrow made of brass, he follows melodies to a floating library above the skyline. There he learns to share his tunes, restoring a forgotten rainstorm that heals gardens, schools, and sleepy hearts. As the city backdrops brighten, Milo vows to guard the wind and keep every child singing along each day.